Ma, welcome back.
Hi, Jasmine.
So Ma, we were just talking about a relationship between parents and kids and how it's evolving in time. And I always had this question कि parents क्यों नहीं समझते हैं कि the kids want to do something or that, वो एक बड़े orthodox way में क्यों चलते हैं. और आपने I mean you give a very nice perspective कि उनकी parenting एक certain way में हुई है. That's why they have such a fixed mindset. And आपने बहुत अच्छे tips भी share किए. I think if a parent is listening to this, हो सकता है कि उन्हें they are inspired to make amends in their parenting style. But now, Mama, coming to a serious note, कई parents बहुत orthodox and like उसके reasons बहुत सारे हो सकते हैं. Maybe that's how they are, या उनका mindset ऐसा है, या that shift is too drastic for them. For example, I know a lot of friends जो small cities से metro cities आए हैं, या इंडिया से यूएस आए हैं, या कनाडा आए हैं. तो पेरेंट्स की जो अपब्रिंगिंग है और मेंटालिटी है वो इंडिया वाली ही है या वो स्मॉल सिटी वाली है. बट बच्चे क्योंकि दूसरी जगह पे ग्रो अप हो रहे हैं, सो ऑफ कोर्स दे वांट टू मिंगल विद देयर फ्रेंड्स एंड पीयर प्रेशर भी है एंड दे वांट टू फील एक्सेप्टेड इन देयर सोसाइटी. तो अगर पेरेंट्स नहीं समझते हैं, सो there's a big rift. और उस वजह से मैंने बहुत अपने फ्रेंड्स में ये भी देखा है that they feel a complex inside themselves. तो माँ, how do we convey to the parent कि आप जो कर रहे हो that's affecting me without being disrespectful? Because I feel sometimes, I mean not between you and I क्योंकि हम लोग बहुत free conversations करते हैं, but बहुत parents को मैंने देखा है कि they don't accept criticism too well और उसको बदतमीजी term दी जाती है कि आप बदतमीज हो रहे हो. तो how should people handle those situations?
जैस्मिन, सबसे पहली बात जो है मेरे ख्याल से एक क्लैरिटी बच्चे और पेरेंट्स दोनों के दिमाग में होनी चाहिए दैट रिलेशनशिप इज प्राइमरी, नथिंग एट द कॉस्ट ऑफ रिलेशनशिप. पहली बात तो ये दोनों को क्लियर भी होनी चाहिए और कम्युनिकेट भी करना आना चाहिए कि भाई आई वैल्यू माई रिलेशनशिप विद यू. और जब हम ये समझते हैं कि दिस रिलेशनशिप इज प्राइमरी फॉर मी एंड इट इज वेरी प्रीशियस टू मी, then you would not mind making small changes here and there. So, for example, if I'm a parent and if I know my relationship with my kids is important, then even I will address the issues with little flexibility. Similarly, when children come up to their parents with their point of view or with their concerns, and if they know for me, my relationship with my parent is important, so they will know where to draw a line or where they have to let go or understand their parents' perspective. That's the I can say the foundation stone of the relationship. So this clarity is very important, and time and again we need to communicate and express to each other that I really value this relationship, because it's a kind of a reminder for ourselves and also a reminder for the other person. Second is, there can be a difference of opinion. There will be a difference of opinion because two generations are interacting with each other. And let me tell you, Jasmine, it's not about parent and child. Generation gap has become so small now that two kids born at a gap of say 3 to 4 years, they are from two different generations. So between a parent and a child, there's almost a gap of 10 generations. Almost a gap of 10 generations. So you can very well understand how everything has changed in the last 10 generations, but parents are there where they were.
Yeah.
So I think from both the sides, effort has to be made, where when they keep in mind that we have to respect the relationship and try to communicate without being rude or insulting to each other or using wrong way. That is one way one has to look at it. What do you think are the concerns of children of your age, or what are their challenges or what are their feelings towards their parents?
I feel um, I feel बच्चों को they need a friend and they need a confidant and they need somebody whom they can go up to. But unfortunately, hota completely opposite hai. If you're scared of your parents, you'll mess up in your life, but you'll not tell them. And then you keep falling into that trap again and again and again. And then suddenly you're living a life completely आपके parents को पता ही नहीं है that you're suffering with all of these things. I mean, you're living under the same roof, but you don't feel your parents don't feel it. And so that's one thing. That's one thing. The other thing is I sometimes feel there's also always a complex of sibling rivalry. अगर एक भाई है और एक बहन है तो you're always feeling कि कहीं ना कहीं partiality है. um, there's a difference in the rights that are given to the boy and to the girl. So I think ये दो मेरी main understanding है कि ये जो problems है. And then I think thirdly I'd say अगर पेरेंट्स बहुत ऑर्थोडॉक्स है और बहुत ज्यादा स्ट्रिक्ट है, सिंपल थिंग्स लाइक स्लीवलेस पहन के बाहर नहीं जाना है, यू हैव टू बी बैक बाय 5 o'clock, और फोन पे बात नहीं करनी है, unnecessary आप स्ट्रेस आउट करते हो तो you're just creating rift between your relationship without putting in any understanding.
Yeah, I agree with you because I think somewhere you need to see to which environment you are sending your child. So जैसे माहौल में आप बच्चे को भेजते हैं, so definitely the child is going to get influenced by peer and the practices of the school or the society. So you can't expect your child to be completely out of place when it comes to schooling or to your socialization. So somewhere I think parents need to understand that you got to upgrade your understanding of the society. But at the same time, I think children need to understand that ultimately parents are their well-wisher. Maybe their way of expressing is not all that updated or not all that good, but ultimately their intentions are really very protective and very caring for the child. So that means from both the sides there has to be an understanding that maybe we are not able to understand each other's perspective, but the intentions on both the sides are not to hurt anybody or insult anybody. And as you said very rightly, when parents are too strict, children mess up things and they don't come up to their parents and share. And this I have seen many times. And at times, parents get to know such rude facts about their kids that they are surprised and shocked to know that okay, my child is into all these things. Therefore, I always say to the parents that never lose entry to your child's life. Don't let that door get closed. Make sure that you have that entry open to your child's life, and that cannot be forced, but that can always be created and nurtured. So being available to your child, being connected to your child is very important. Only then maybe you can guide your child or help your child or tell what is right or wrong. But in case if your child has completely exited you of their life, then you don't have any chance to. And I mean, that should never happen. That should never happen.
Yeah. I remember bachpan se when we would come back from school, you'd make a point to sit down and ask how was the day. And it was not just a fleeting question, not like chalte firte pooch liya how was the day, but you would actually spend time and ask how was your day, what was good, what was bad. And I think that paved way for more deeper and meaningful conversations every day, so that whatever I was able to tell you the same day and nothing was hidden. And one thing I would say, um, what I appreciate was that you guys trusted us. अगर मैं आपको बता रही हूँ कि I'm going to a certain place, so you're trusting me and you're letting me go. And somewhere inside of me, I have that feeling that, okay, my parents have trusted me, so I have to fulfill, uh, I don't have to lie to them. I have to keep their trust and their faith. So I think very rightly said, आपने अभी जो बात कही कि communication is the key. Whatever, I mean, we have to learn how to tell our feelings. There is some work that we have.
Yeah. So it's important to keep an eye on what is happening in your child's, life, not to spy her or not to, make her uncomfortable, but then to be in touch with what is happening. And in case if there is something that you need to address, you can timely address it. So I remember I used to sometimes check, Nanki's books and notebooks. So she would say, "Aap mere pe doubt kar rahe ho, or are you looking for something?" You know. So I would say, no. It's like a parent. Whatever I think is my duty towards you, I'm doing that. But I trust you. I definitely trust you, and I think that's very important. And it's both ways. One, parents should trust. When you trust, children become responsible that they are being trusted. So I have to honor this. And at the same time, the children also should make sure that they don't breach the contract, because once you breach the contract, parents then become very uh, concerned about that. Okay, my child is telling lie, so I don't know in what all areas the child could
Right.
tell lie. So it's both ways. It's both ways. Yeah.
ठीक है माँ, थैंक यू सो मच. आई थिंक बहुत सारा फूड फॉर थॉट मिला है टू थिंक अबाउट पेरेंट्स एंड देयर चिल्ड्रन रिलेशनशिप. एंड आई थिंक मुझे जो पर्सनली माय फेवरेट पार्ट वाज दैट इट्स ऑल इन द कॉन्वर्सेशन. मुझे लगता है कि यू हैव टू इनिशिएट दैट फ्री कॉन्वर्सेशन. अगर पेरेंट नहीं भी समझ रहे हैं, तो यू हैव टू सिट विद देम एंड एक्सप्लेन एंड बी पेशेंट. And also understand that they come from a different part. They understand a different language. They were brought up in a different. और जब आप
Jasmine, recently I had a very interesting case for counseling. Now, this is a boy who has gone to another country. The parents are right here in India. They're educated, they're professional. Now, this boy is finding it hard to communicate with his parents, because again there is that mindset. The parents are in that parent ego state, and the boy has grown up and has become adult and has become independent. He asked his parents to get in touch with a counselor and understand how we can improve our relationship. So I really appreciate this boy who did not give up, who did not say that, okay, if it is not working, oh, I mean, let it end. And he is already, in another country. I'm sure in with time he's going to settle and he's going to have his own life. But he decided not to give up on his parents. Rather, he said, he even made me listen to their conversation. He said, we both talk and let the counselor just overhear our conversation and then give us the feedback, like how do we need to improve our relationship. So I think these are new ways to work on your relationship.
yeah, just don't give up. Try to
Don't give up.
find
Yes.
out ways to.
And value your relationship. I think that's the most precious relationship you have.
Right. Yes. Wonderful, ma. Thank you. I had a lot of fun. मुझे बहुत सारा food for thought मिला है. Again, बहुत अच्छा perspective भी मिला है. Um, thank you for letting me pick your brains. And thank you for agreeing. ये बड़ा interesting initiative है, and thank you for agreeing to be a part of it.
My pleasure, always. Thank you.
Thank you, ma. और I'll come back. Some more questions. एक और another situation. So I'll see you then. Bye, ma.
Bye. Bye, Jasmine.
Love you. Bye.
Bye bye.